Hello, everybody. I'm particularly excited about this next live cooking show for you because I am going to recreate two of my most popular creamy chicken recipes, my lemon pistachio chicken and my chicken in a creamy Dijon mustard sauce, into vegan recipes. I'm going to use tofu instead. And those of you who know me know that I have a funny relationship with tofu. I didn't used to like tofu at all. I thought it was tasteless, bland. I didn't like the texture. I've obviously changed my mind, and for a reason, in the way that I prepare it. So I am going to make two chicken recipes and two tofu recipes using the same sauce, and you'll get to be the judge. It's telling that I'm going to be making, therefore, four dishes for you in the time allotted. And that's pretty amazing because it really emphasizes how easily they are put together, how you can just throw them together if you have the right ingredients right there in front of you. So, looking forward to seeing you. Very excited to do this. I've never done this one before, where really, literally, this recipe, boom, with chicken, the same recipe with tofu, and then do the same with the second one. It's going to be fun. Can't wait to see you.